Hi, it's David. I'm going to show you my tips and tricks on creating these Beachy waves using the 1.25-inch wand from the T3 switch kit. So one of the secrets to getting these really beautiful beach waves with the 1.25-inch wand is to wrap the hair around the barrel and then release the ends much sooner than you release the rest of the hair. That gives you a very beautiful organic feel. In the past, I used to tell my clients and my friends, don't wrap the ends at all around the iron, but you really want to get the benefits of the technology that T3 has incorporated into the barrel. You get that shine, you get that smoothness all the way through the ends, but you still get that very organic beachy feel. We want to take up the entire length of the barrel, wrap it to the ends, and then release the ends much sooner. Hold the section near the root a little bit longer to get a much tighter finish at the base. Now I'm doing some detailing, just some 1-inch sections around the crown to give it a little bit more volume. This is going to give a really beautiful organic feel to the beachy waves. And there you have it, my tips and tricks on creating these beachy waves using the 1.25-inch wand from the T3 switch kit.